We are TUTCO, one of the largest heating element companies in the world. We hold over 80% of the U.S. patents in open coil technology.
Our heaters warm homes, hospitals, stadiums, and have military applications. We even have elements in industrial processes, extreme heat for green steel and decarbonization initiatives. Not to mention our heaters that are in industrial processes and manufacturing facilities throughout the world.
Our manufacturing capabilities around the world include 3 U.S. locations, China, Mexico, and Canada. Together, we produce more than 38,000 heating elements per day, specializing in customized electric heat solutions around the globe. We deliver to Dubai, China, Mexico, anywhere in the world that you need product, we got you covered.
It's not our buildings, our quality products, or even our custom heaters that set us apart. It's our people, from our skilled production team to our innovative engineers and everybody in between, who makes TUTCO the world leader in electric heating solutions. Every day, the TUTCO team brings expertise, precision, and passion, driving a need to be the very best in the industry.
Behind the scenes, something's been brewing, something big, an acquisition that broadens our technology and complements our family culture. A company with unmatched expertise in electric heat, and a company with strong leadership and enthusiasm to serve your needs. This company is none other than WATTCO, located in beautiful downtown Montreal, Canada. WATTCO is an expansion of what makes us best in class. Strong leadership, a bias for action, and a family culture built on trust. We cannot wait to meet all your needs in electric heat.